Hi boys and girls, let's go over this week's problems of the day. I decided to do one video this week, and that way you could check your work for the whole week in one video. Number 1, it said on 511, if 48 Oreo cookies are shared equally among 8 children, each child will get blank Oreo cookies. One way to do this would be to say 48 divided by 8 equals 6. If you're not so good at division, or if you haven't gotten to this idea yet, one other way you could do it is to draw 8 children and to give each of them cookies until you run out. So you would do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now each of them have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have each child has 3. So 8 kids with 3 cookies is 24 cookies. Give another cookie. That's 4 times 8 is 32. 5 times 8 is 40. 6 times 8 is 48. So for 511, our final answer was 6. On 512, we have Ricky has 39 rocks and Frankie has 21 rocks. I'm going to use a make a chart strategy. Ricky and Frankie. And I'm going to write out the number of rocks they have. Ricky has 39. Frankie has 21. If Frankie gives Ricky blank rocks, then he will have 3 times as many rocks as Frankie will have. So I need to figure out how many am I taking away from Frankie and giving to Ricky so that Ricky will have 3 times as many. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take away 6 from Frankie. That's going to leave me with 15. 1 take away 6 I can't do. I would cross out the 2, make it a 1. 11 minus 6 would be 5, and I'd bring down my 1. And then if I add 6 to Ricky's pile, so I took 6 from Frankie, I'm going to give it to Ricky. 9 plus 6 is 15. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Then I have 45 and 15. And that's when I know 45 is 3 times as many as 15. And to check that, I could go 15, 15, 15. So that's 3 times. 5, 10, 15. Put down my 5. Carry my 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how many rocks did I move? 6. All right. All right, let's do the next problem. On 513, it says, Melissa has 5 quarters, 8 dimes, and 15 nickels. I'm going to start by calculating how much money that is. 5 quarters would be $1.25. Then 8 dimes would be 80 cents. And then 15 nickels, each worth 5 cents. So I would do 15 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25, carry the 2. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7, would be 75 cents. Now I'm going to add up how much money she has. 5 plus 5 is 10, put down my 0, carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. Carry the other 1 and add my decimal. 1 plus 1 is 2. So she has $2.80. Then it says she buys a bag of potato chips for 65 cents and a peanut butter and jelly sandwich that costs $1.75. So 175 plus 65, this is how much she buys. 5 plus 5 is 10, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. Put down my 4, carry my 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So if she has $2.80 and she buys $2.40 worth of food at lunch, how much money does she have left? $2.80 minus $2.40 would leave me with 40 cents. And my last problem on 514 says, in the school cafeteria there are 18 tables. There are 5 students at each table. I could start by drawing a picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I have 3 rows of 6 tables. So there's my 18 tables. There are 5 students at each table. So I could fill in 5 students at each table and keep going. Or I could say 18 times 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Carry the 4. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. So that means there are 90 kids in the cafeteria. The problem says each student has 3 cookies in their lunch. So I'm going to go 90 times 3, and that's going to tell me how many cookies are in the cafeteria at lunch at all these tables. 3 times 9 is 27, and I'm going to add on my 0. So 270 cookies are in the cafeteria. Thanks for watching. If you watched today's video, today the secret word is purple. Comment below the video, and I'm going to give everybody a bonus point. Thanks for watching.